40 seconds countdown have been started. Now you can see how much money you can earn from here. Are you ready? This is a real payment proof. You need not any skill or knowledge or experience, or on the other hand, you don't have any investment to start your journey on this particular website. You must need a mobile phone or a computer and with a strongest internet connection to start your journey. So today I want to share how you will get paid $5.08 within 40 seconds over and over from any corner of the world. So this website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. If you are first time in my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. On the other hand, if you have a special question or comment, just come to my comment box and comment. I'm waiting for your valuable comments. So let's get started. All right, this is the first website. I think this is called uploadship.com. Uploadship.com is an amazing website to upload any types of file on this particular website to earn extra cash from here easily from any corner of the world without any types of knowledge or experience or skill, or without getting any types of help altogether. So this one is the common feature about this website. I think you must first of all you have to know about this interface. I mean about this website to start your journey easily on your mobile phone or your computer from any corner of the world. This is the common criteria about this website. I think first of all you have to upload a files or download files, and you can start your earn from here. First of all, earn more than $4,999 every month. You will earn up to $10 fixed rate for every till 1,000 downloads of all files in your account. So just this one is free. You can get this opportunity from this website. I think paper download, I mean PPD rules. We never said and you will get 100% of your profit with us. PPD payout rates are per 1000 downloads. We count one download per IP every 24 hours. We count all illegal VPN downloads. We will get instantly 5% from any sale, renew, or whatever event you. If you don't use your referral code, there is no limitation for your profit with us. And this one is files above 1 kilobyte will count. See the payment rates below. This one is a payment history. You are watching this one. Account type premium account, you will be able to get this $10. And this one is file size 00 KB to 250 KB, and this one is file size 250 to 500 KB. Will be able to get, I mean premium account $10 and $10. This one is free account. You will be able to get $5, and this one is $5. Also $5 also available here. With a premium account with us, you will get the best profit person without any deduction or hidden fees, plus unlimited disk spaces and traffic and everything. So this one is a common criteria to know before starting your journey over here easily from any corner of the world. First of all, this one is your affiliate link. You can start your journey by providing this link on different types of social media. So this one is the common feature to get your payment from this website, I think easily from any corner of the world. So how you will start your journey from this website? I think first of all you have to click the join now button over here. On the other hand, if you have a account on this upload ship, just click on this login button over here, and or a newbie or a beginner, just click on this join us now. And then you have to provide all the Informations to start your journey. First of all, this one is a title: Mr., Miss, Mrs., Miss, Doctor, Professor, etc. Over here, this one is our first name, last name, email address, and email confirmation. This one is username, and just click on this checkbox and I am not a robot. Just click on this register button over here. After completing all the information, just you will get an email in your email box over here. Just check it out after coming to your email box over here. Just this one is the link and you will be able to get this one. So you will be able to get this username and password over here to log in on this particular website, I think on uploadship.com easily. So after creating your account, you will be able to get this amazing feature. This one is my account and I have uploaded a file on this particular website. Step by step you can use this 2 terabyte space on this particular website, I mean on uploadship.com. So first of all, how you will upload your file, just click on this your upload over here, and this one is my uploaded file, and you can upload your file from here. More and more uploads over here. So just click on this. Now I would like to click on this button here to upload a file from your computer or your mobile phone easily, and just click on this file over here. Then how you will upload your file and how you will create or collect your file for uploading on this particular uploadship.com for earning more and more. Just I would like to share this one. So if you use this one, another website, this is called indigitalworks.com. Indigitalworks.com, this one is a pretty email and amazing website to get lots of files to upload on this website, I think, for earning extra cash. So how you will create your account on this in digitalworks.com. This one is trusted by one 10 lakh internet marketers, webmasters, and bloggers. High quality PLR products you can feel good about selling to your customers over here. First of all, you have to know all the criteria before starting your journey on this in digitalworks.com. This one are 60,315 plus ebooks and software, videos, graphics files, and templates, articles you can get or collect from this particular website, I think. And if you come to this scrolling down over here, you will be able to get this amazing feature from this interface: private level rights. PLR products are digital products such as ebooks, software, online courses, videos, value-paid articles, etc. that you can claim most of all the intellectual property rights for. This means they are yours, put your name on them, sell them under your brand, keep all the money. When you sign up for it, and in Digital Wars membership, you can source from your catalogs of thousands of up-to-date, high-quality digital products, hundreds of which you won't find on any other PLR sites over here. So first of all, you have to create your account on this website. Just come to this box and I mean click on this register button over here. Or on the other hand, if you have an account on this particular website, I mean in digitalworks.com, just click on this login button over here, get started. So now I like to click on this register button over here. After providing all the information, first name, last name, email address, and password, just you have to come to your email box and check it out your email box over here, and this one is email verification link. Just click on this email verification link over here easily from any corner of the world, or after creating your account on this particular website, I think. So this one is the easiest way to get this amazing feature. And after that, what should you do? Just you're watching, or as you can see here, products. This one is a free product. This one is bonuses and resources are over here. So just click on this free products. You will get this free ebooks, software, free videos, free templates, free graphics or music. Just you have to click on this free ebooks over here, and you will be able to get lots of ebooks over here. And then these are the free, totally free. How you will get this product over here? There are lots of products you have to choose for uploading on this uploadship.com easily from here. These are the particular common criteria about these ebooks over here. Just you have to choose this one from here, and just I have chosen this one from here. So you have to select this one. After selecting this one, you will be able to get this amazing feature. I mean download option and then preview. Before downloading this file, I mean PDF file, just click on this preview button over here, and then this one is the website of the product. It is channel pages. Thank you. And thank you pages of the product, landing pages, thank you pages, landing pages over here. And if you come to this, there are the common product terms. This one is can be sold, yes, can be used for personal use, yes, can be packaged with other products, yes, can modify or change the sales letter. This one is yes, also can be added into paid membership websites, yes, can put your name on your sales letter, can be offered as a bonus, yes, can be used to build a list, yes, can print or publish offline, yes. These are the common features. You can use this one for uploading on this uploadship.com easily from here. So what should you do? Come here, just click on this download button over here, and I have downloaded this file from this in digitalworks.com for my particular website. I mean for this uploadship.com. So now downloading this file from here, I mean the in warrior marketer, I would like to upload this file on this uploadship.com. So first of all, you have to click on this browse file over here, and I have to choose this on my computer. This one is my PDF file. Just select this one and just upload queues. And after completing this one, just wait, and after completing or uploading this file, just you will be able to get this interface. And then what should you do step by step, I want to share. So before starting this one, I could request to subscribe my channel or share more and more with your friends and family members. And if you have a special question, just come to my comment box. So I like to close this one. This one is my uploaded file, and all files I have uploaded one files over here. Just click on this, and you will be able to get this amazing feature. This one is file name, the warrior marketer file, PDF file, and this one is size 1.5 MB created. This one last access over here. So this one is the first and first and foremost thing you must complete this one over here for earning extra cash easily from any corner of the world. And after verifying your file, they will be able to get paid from this uploadships.com easily from any corner of the world. This one are the common payment proof. I mean $101, $15, $38, $31, $103, $109, $554, $106, and mass more dollars over here. This one is first page, second page, third page, fourth page. Lots of payment tools are over here, as you can see. So this one are the total paid 44,150.26 have been get paid from this website. I think so you can get the premium membership. Just click on this premium over here. This one are the total uh, four criteria to get your premium account from here for earning more and more. You will be able to benefit it from this premium plus 30 days, premium plus 90 days, premium plus 180 days, and this one are the 39.99 days, $99 for 36 5 days for this website. I think so First of all, you can start your journey as a free member. After earning some amount of money from here, you will be able to get the premium method to earn more and more. Thanks for watching my videos. Till then, I could request to watch my previous videos more and more. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.